ఏమ్మా అయిందా? స్టార్ట్ అయిందా? ఏంటి? సురేష్ సార్, ఇది నేను మళ్ళీ వెనక్కి పోవాలి. ఎవరు అడుగు. రవి, బయోకెమిస్ట్రీ సురేష్ సార్ నంబర్ లేదు. మళ్ళీ వెనక్కి పోవాలి. సార్ నమస్తే. హలో సార్, వీటిలో ఉన్నాడు కర్ణాకర్. అన్మ్యూట్ చేయమనమ్మా. ఆయన వస్తున్నా. మా అందరితో సైన్లు చేయించండి. కూర్చోండి. సార్ వీటిలో ఉన్నారు. ఆ సింబల్ చెప్పారా సార్కి?
नहीं सर, ये किसका है? उसका राजेंद्र ये आने का everything is okay, sir. నా వాయిస్ వినిపిస్తుందా?
బెస్ట్ స్టూడెంట్. మనమేమో అలాగే. హలో హలో
హలో మేడం, ఇస్ ఇట్ ఆడిబుల్ మేడం?
నాయనా నీది కాదమ్మా, సార్ రాని. సార్ మ్యూట్ లో ఉన్నాడు. సార్ వెళ్ళిపోయినట్టున్నారు. డైరెక్ట్ గా సార్ వచ్చి సైన్ చేయించు.
కృష్ణయ్య కృష్ణయ్య
హలో సార్.
అవార్య కృష్ణయ్య చాలా దూరం స్కూల్ కనిపించినారు.
ఫైన్ సార్, వెరీ ఫైన్.
ఊర్లో ఉన్నారంట.
ఊర్లోనే సార్, ఊర్లో ఉన్నాను.
వచ్చింటే అనంతపురం ఎస్కే చూసిండ్రు. మీ స్టార్టింగ్ సంస్థ మేడం డిపార్ట్మెంట్ అంతా చూసిండ్రు.
అవును సార్, లేదు రాలేని పరిస్థితుల్లో నేను ఇదే వీడియో కాన్ఫరెన్స్ పెట్టినా.
ఏదో ఇప్పుడు నిన్న చూసినాం మేము. బాగున్నా, మీరు అట్లే ఉన్నారు, మారలేదు.
ఓకే ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. వెరీ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ టు ఆల్. Shall I start?
సార్
Start.
ఇంట్రడ్యూస్
హలో
సార్.
సార్ మేడం, నేను ఇంకా నమస్తే.
వైభవసి board, then we can start. Very good morning to the chairman of this Vyvavasi committee, Mr. Krishnay Garu, who was my teacher in and Dean Life Sciences, Professor C. Suresh Kumar Garu, Dean Physical Sciences, Professor P. Satyanarayana Garu, and all the students who have assembled here for the Vyvavasi of B. Rajendra Kumar. I request the chairman, Professor Krishnay Garu, to initiate the Vyvavasi. Please. Sir, you just being a chairman, you just initiate the Vyvavasi.
Yes, madam. Yes, I will do it.
Okay.
Good morning to all. And also, I invite all the members who are attending here, Dean of Sciences, Dean of Arts, and other members of the present Vyvavasi examination. Then I welcome the academic consultants, the research scholars, and students, and other members of the department who are attending or not attending to the today's Vyvavasi examination. So we are all assembled here for the purpose of the Vyvavasi examination that is submitted by the thesis submitted by Mr. Rajendra Kumar on the topic geographical aspects of population in Anantapur district. So, shall I invite the candidate to present the work done by him?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir, you can invite.
Okay.
Good morning to respected panel members, respected madam, respected sirs, and good morning to respected co-scholars, academic consultants. Now I would like to give Viva and my research topic, that is geographical aspects of population in Anantapur district. Actually, I have chosen this topic from the population geography. Right, man? Actually, this is the first chapter in which, that is introduction. In the first chapter, first I would like to explain about objectives of my research topic. The first,
అయ్యాక కనిపిస్తున్నాయి కనిపించలేదే కానీ కానీ
first objective of my research study is general and working population in Anantapur district according to 2011 census. The second objective is spatio-temporal aspects of SC population
చిన్నగా
and literacy according to 2001 and 2011 census. I would like to explain the words spatio and temporal. Spatio means geographical space. My research topic is Anantapur district. Temporal means time period. My research time period is 2001 to 2011 census. The third objective is spatio-temporal aspects of the population and literacy according to 2001 and 2011 census. The fourth objective is assessing the village-wise population in Anantapur district according to 2011 census. And the fifth objective is revive a village-wise working population in Anantapur district according to 2011 census. And the sixth objective of my research study is proposing suggestions for population development in various mandals of Anantapur district. And then I will switch over to the next slide. That is explains about the study area of Anantapur district. Location of Anantapur district is southwestern Andhra Pradesh, India. The latitude and longitude of Anantapur district is 13 degrees 41 minutes to 15 degrees 15 minutes north, and 76 degrees 50 minutes east to 78 degrees 30 minutes east longitude. Anantapur district has 19,13,000 hectares of geographical area. Anantapur district consists of 63 revenue mandals, and the Pennar drainage system is the important drainage system present in Anantapur district, and the other tributaries of Anantapur district are Chitravati, Vedavati, Jayamangal, and Madileru. Anantapur has 5.35% of vegetation cover. The annual rainfall of Anantapur district is 554 millimeters. In Anantapur district, the most popular crop is the groundnut. The total population of Anantapur district is 40,81,148. Among them, the male population is 20,64,495 and the female population is 20,16,653. The demographic of Anantapur district is rural population is 71.93% and the SC population is 14.29% and ST population is 3.78%. And the data collection, I have collected the data from various sources. Some of them are census reports, district handbook, government records and websites. And the collected data includes the general population, SC population, ST population, and their literacy levels, and the village-wise population, working population. Data from, I have collected these data from 2001 and 2011 census periods. And then I will switch over to the next slide. Methodology. I have used simple statistical techniques, that is averages and percentages during my research period. And the main focus area is SC, ST population and their literacy level at mandal level and village-wise population trends. I used GIS software for making maps. And then I will switch over to the next slide, that is the organization of the thesis. The thesis has been organized into 7 chapters. The first chapter is introduction, and the second chapter is geographical review of Anantapur district. The third chapter is geographical population aspects, and the fourth chapter is ST population and their literacy, and the fourth chapter is ST population and their literacy level, and the fifth chapter is the ST population of Anantapur district. The sixth chapter is village-wise population aspects. The seventh chapter is the conclusions and planning strategy and also suggestions and findings of my research area. And then I will switch over to the next slide, that is the conclusions and suggestions of the first chapter is I found that population trends and literacy levels are different in various mandals of Anantapur district, and my suggestion is for the development of Anantapur district's population and literacy, I have given so many recommendations and suggestions. Potential strategies are very much needed for development of the people socially and economically. And then I will switch over to the second chapter, that is the physical and cultural aspect of Anantapur district. This is the map in which I have chosen my research topic in Andhra Pradesh state, that is present on southeastern part of India. In Andhra Pradesh, my research area, study area is present at the southwestern part of Andhra Pradesh. This is the map which shows different divisions, administrative divisions of Anantapur district. And the latitude of Anantapur district is 30 degrees 41 minutes to 50 degrees 50 minutes north. The longitude of Anantapur district is 76 degrees 50 minutes to 78 degrees 30 minutes is. Anantapur district has 19,30,536 hectares of geographical area, that is undivided Andhra Pradesh. Administrative features and natural features. Now I would like to explain about the Anantapur district. Number of revenue mandals present in Anantapur is 63, and the major river is Penna, and the other tributaries are Chitravati, Vedavati, Jayamangal, and Madileru. The forest cover is 5.35%. The normal annual rainfall of Anantapur district is 554 millimeters. And then I will switch over to the next slide, which explains about the population statistics of Anantapur district according to 2011 census. The total population of Anantapur district is 40,81,448 persons. The rural population is 71.93%, and the urban population is 28.07%. The male population is 20,64,000, and female population is 20,60,000. The average population density is 213 persons per square kilometer, and the sex ratio is 977 persons per 1,000 males. And the literacy rate is 56.63%. The male literacy rate is 57.92%. The female literacy rate is 42.08%. I would like to define the sex ratio, literacy rate, and male literacy rate and female literacy rate. Sex ratio is number of females per 1,000 males into 100 is known as the sex ratio. The literacy rate means the pupil, the person who is able to read, write, and do the simple mathematical calculations is known as literate. And then the scheduled caste population of Anantapur district is 14.29%, and the scheduled tribe population is 3.78%. And I will switch over to the third chapter, that is general population aspects of Anantapur district. I would like to explain about this table, which explains the population distribution in Anantapur district. First, I will explain what exactly is the population distribution. Distribution of population across 63 revenue mandals of Anantapur district. The population distribution is uneven. In some areas, it is highly concentrated. In some areas, it is sparsely concentrated. In some areas, it is moderately concentrated. This is known as the population distribution. And I will explain the sample data. In Anantapur mandal, the total population is 3,88,023, and the male population is 1,95,645, and the female population is 1,92,378, and the population density is 1,396. I will explain. Now, I would like to explain what exactly is the population density. Number of persons who are residing in 1 square kilometer area is known as the population density. Anantapur mandal has more population density, that is 1,396. And the Hindupur Mandal total population is 2,03,538, and the male population is 1,26,000, 1,02,664, and female population is 1,74, and the population density of Hindupur Mandal is 1,018. The Kadri Mandal total population is 1,25,373, and the male population is 62,448, and the female population is 62,925, and the population density of Kadri Mandal is 570. Dharmavaram Mandal's total population is 1,72,479, and the male population is 88,233, and the female population is 84,246, and the population density is 460 persons per square kilometer. And I would like to explain about the key indicators which are present in the mandal. The key indicators are sex ratio, literacy rate, and the child population. The sex ratio of Anantapur district is 977. Sex ratio is different in different mandals of Anantapur district. But the highest sex ratio is observed in Tanakal mandal. Lowest sex ratio is observed in Kanaganapalli mandal. Literacy rate of Anantapur district is 63.57%. Literacy rate is different in various mandals of Anantapur district, but the mandal which shows highest literacy rate is Anantapur, that is 80.34%, and the mandal which shows low literacy rate is Bommanal mandal, that is 48.78%. This literacy rate fluctuates in various mandals of Anantapur district, and the child population, that is 0 to 6 years, in Anantapur district is 4,45,956, and the child population is more in Anantapur mandal, and child population also varies in various mandals of Anantapur district. Next, I would like to explain about the workforce. Actually, the workforce is divided into main workers and the marginal workers. The main workers means the persons who are engaged in economic activity for more than 6 months are known as the main workers. The persons who are engaged in any economic activity, that is primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary, quinary, below the 6 months, those are known as marginal workers. Now I would like to explain about these workforce data of Anantapur district. The total workers in Anantapur district is 49.89%. Highest workforce is observed in Narpala Mandal, that is 59.47%, and the lowest workforce is observed in Guntakal Mandal is less than 45%. Total workers present in Anantapur district is 17,31,452. Different mandals have different workforce, different statistical data, but I have taken the highest workforce is observed in Anantapur urban area in Anantapur mandal, that is 1,58,000. Lowest workforce is observed in Nalamada mandal, that is exactly 30,000. And I would like to explain about the educational institutions in various mandals of Anantapur district. Educational institution, primary schools, secondary schools, primary schools, high schools, junior colleges are present. Okay. First, I will explain about the primary schools. The primary schools present in Anantapur district is 2,748. Different mandals have different number of primary schools. Statistical data is different, but I have collected the highest mandal having primary schools, that is Gorantla, and the lowest mandal having primary schools, that is Vidapanakal mandal. And villages without primary schools data is almost 630 villages did not have primary schools. Tanakal mandal has maximum number of Tanakal mandal did not have. Okay. Okay. Now I would like to explain about the religious population distribution. The Hindu population in Anantapur district is 35 lakhs. Okay. 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 These are the different religious population: Hindu religion, Muslim religion, and Christian population. Next, the summary and key insights of this chapter is strong rural population is observed in Anantapur district with substantial number of workforce. More workforce is observed. Diverse demography is observed in Anantapur district, that is caste, tribe, and religions, different religions, and variation in different educational institutions is observed. Workforce is observed across various mandals of Anantapur district. And I will switch over to the next chapter, that is the fourth chapter, that is spatio-temporal aspects of ST population, and chapter 5, that is the spatio-temporal aspects of ST population. Spatio-temporal aspects of ST population. Spatio means geographical space. The geographical space I have chosen is the Anantapur district. Temporal means time period. My time period during research period is what I have collected is 2001 to 2011 census. That is the meaning of spatial temporal aspects of SC population during 2001 to 2011. Their literacy levels I have collected, and the same thing about ST population. I have collected their literacy levels, data, and everything, and I have analyzed, and I found, and I recommended, and I suggested. I will explain now. Okay. Anantapur district census data, that is 2001 to 2011. This presentation, my presentation, that is the fourth and fifth chapter analysis is SC population and ST population, and their literacy levels, and their workforce, and government is implementing welfare activities upon them for improving, for uplifting them in various sectors. This is the same thing. Total SC population is more in 2011 census, that is 5,83,135. Highest SC population is observed in Anantapur mandal, that is 35,321 according to 2011 census. Lowest SC population is observed in Gandlapeta mandal, that is 2,3629 according to 2011 census. Decreased SC population is observed in Putlur mandal and Nalacheru mandal. And the gender specific SC population. Total male SC population is 2,92,379 according to 2011 census. Highest male SC population is observed in Anantapur, that is 17,395. Lowest male SC population is observed in Gandlapeta, that is 1,291. Decreased male SC population is observed in Talapula, that is how much has been decreased is -60. Total female SC population is 2,90,756. Total SC literates according to 2011 census is 2,90,079. Okay. Total SC literates according to 2001 census is 1,96,531. According to 2011 census is 2,90,079. Literacy levels has been increased to 93,548. Overall literacy rate has been increased up to 11.81%. Highest SC literates observed in Anantapur, both in 2001 and 2011 census, that is 9,099. The main remark is maximum increase is observed in Anantapur district, Anantapur mandal. Lowest SC literates is observed in Nambali Pulkunta according to 2001 census, and it is observed in Gandlapenta according to 2011 census. The main remark is lowest SC literates decreased from Nambali Pulkunta to Gandlapenta. That is the main remark. Decreased SC literates is observed in Mudigubba mandal of Anantapur district. Next, SC hostel facilities. SC boys hostels are meant for accommodating SC students for the upliftment of. Okay. Okay. SC boys hostels, according to 2011 census, 89 hostels are present, which can accommodate 7,627 boys. SC girls hostels are 37 according to 2011 census, which can accommodate 3,898 girls. Highest boys hostels are observed in Kamadur Mandal, that is 7, which can accommodate 667 students. Highest girls hostels are observed. Okay. Total ST population. Now I would like to explain about the fifth chapter, that is about the ST population, spatio-temporal aspects of ST population and their literacy levels. Total, so let me explain. Total ST population according to 2011 census is 1,54,127. The percentage increase, the main remark, that is 0.29%. Mandals with maximum ST population are Anantapur, that is 12,540. Mandals with minimum ST population is Putlur Mandal, that is 29. Highest increase in ST population is observed in Anantapur Mandal. The main conclusion of this chapter, fourth and fifth chapter, is SC and ST population has been increased and their literacy levels has been increased. The district shows improvement in social welfare activities with hostels supporting SC and ST students. Now I would like to explain about the third chapter, that is village-based population aspects. This sixth chapter explains about the village-wise population aspects. This column shows about the mandal. These rows shows about the data which is related to the people. Amarapuram mandal, total population is 55,771. Most populated village in Amarapuram mandal is Amarapuram. Population of most populated village in Amarapuram is 11,950. Least populate. The total workers observed in all the mandals, and among the total workers, marginal workers and main workers are present. Main workers means the persons who are engaged in the economic activities like the primary, secondary, quaternary, tertiary, and quinary activities, who are engaged in more than 6 months. Those are known as the main workers. The main workers data is different in various mandals of Anantapur district and different in villages. And now I would like to explain about the marginal workers. The marginal workers means the people who are engaged in all the activities, economic activities, who got job below 6 months. Those are known as the marginal workers. Their data is also different in various mandals of Anantapur district and also in various villages of Anantapur district. This is as follows. Now I would like to explain about the chapter 7, that is the summary and conclusions, my findings and my suggestions. I will explain. My findings are, I found the population distribution is uneven in Anantapur district in various mandals of Anantapur district. Among them, Anantapur mandal has maximum population, that is 3,88,023, and Ganlapeta mandal has 26,183. My suggestion is, actually disparities in population distribution in Anantapur district is observed. We need to investigate what are the social factors and economic factors which is responsible for the population distribution. And then next, my findings are the male population. Madam? Different factors are responsible for distribution of population unevenly in Anantapur district. The main important factor is Anantapur urban mandal is providing more activities so that the people who are migrating from those villages and different places to the urban mandal is the main factor of highest concentration of population in Anantapur mandal, madam. For job purpose, after marriage, they will migrate. Okay. For sustaining their life. And then I found the male population and female population is different in various mandals of Anantapur district. And my suggestion is conduct detailed study on differences in male and female population so that we can uplift the female population. Next, highest male population is observed in Anantapur mandal, that is 1,95,645. My suggestion is highest male population is different in one mandal and lowest male population is observed in another mandal. Moderate male population is also observed in different mandals. So disparities are there, differences are there. For uplifting the lowest male population observed in some villages or some mandals, my suggestion is analysis is very much important for spatial patterns affecting to male distribution. Lowest male population is observed in Galapenta mandal. We need to find, my suggestion is we need to analyze, we need to give reasons why the different mandals have low population. Some mandals have high population. I'm not talking about that. Next, I'll switch over to female population. Highest female population is observed in Anantapur mandal, that is 1,92,378. Female population is different in various mandals of Anantapur district, but we need to analyze, we need to find, we need to focus why these differences are occurred in female distribution population. And my suggestion is detailed analysis is required. Next, lowest female population is observed in Galapenta mandal, that is 12,992. My suggestion is my suggestion for this finding is studying demographic factors, different demographic factors which affect the low female population. The population density is another finding of my research work. Anantapur mandal has 1,396 persons per square kilometer. Putlur mandal has 18 persons per square kilometer. The population density is different in different mandals of Anantapur district. This is due to various factors, various reasons. One of the factors is urban areas are providing more economic activities. That's why they are shifting, migrating. That's why the density is very high in Anantapur mandal. Some areas, pull factors, push factors are responsible. No jobs. That is one of the reasons. Marriage is one of the reasons for migrating. These are the different various factors are there, various reasons are there. And then sex ratio. Just now I explained. Sex ratio means the number of females present in 1,000 males into 100 is known as sex ratio. Sex ratio is different in various mandals of Anantapur district. In some areas, sex ratio is more. In some areas, sex ratio is less. My findings are Tanakal mandal has highest sex ratio. Why? Because I think women empowerment is there. More facilities are there for women. That's why the sex ratio is more in Tanakal Mandal, that is 1021. And lowest sex ratio is observed in Kanaganapalli Mandal, that is 933.
Hello, Mr. Rajendra. Mr. Rajendra Kumar. Hello.
Working age group of 25 to 50. I think 18 to also.
This is over or still continue?
Okay.
In population geography, I've taken two aspects: population growth, population distribution, population density, sex ratio, literacy levels,
Hello.
literacy levels like that. But I have not chosen. It is a vast subject. I have chosen only limited. No, no, sir. Not taken.
Yes, ఉన్నాను.
Can I continue, sir?
హలో ఎవరు రెస్పాండ్ కాలేదా? హలో.
Now I found
హలో
Sir, hello.
అమ్మా.
కృష్ణ గారు
Presentation is
Few
over.
minutes, sir. Just few minutes over. Within few minutes it will be over.
Right.
See, now I would like to explain about another category, that is the working population in backward villages. The statistics of this category is significant changes is observed. Working population is different in different backward villages. Many factors are responsible. Okay, government should provide some social welfare activities in these villages for uplifting those section of people in the society. And overall upliftment of weaker sections is another category I have chosen. I have found. Some priority-based programs are necessary for the vulnerable sections of the society. And my suggestion is targeted plans are very much needed. For example, for uplifting the women, targeted plans are very much needed. Some welfare schemes are needed, which should be provided by the government. For uplifting in the educational sector, in economic activity, okay, all the research scholars should provide the policies to the government, and the policy makers in the government should implement those policies suggested by the research scholars. And then education infrastructure. Just now I explained primary schools are less in various mandals, in various villages, and also high schools are very less in various mandals. Junior colleges are very less in various mandals. So government should take necessary steps, necessary actions for upliftment. Government should provide the quality teachers, and government should provide the infrastructure for the upliftment of the education system in Anantapur district. This is one of the finding. That is our responsibility. Madam, they are the yes, madam. NRI, okay. Can we continue, madam? And scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. This is one of the category I have chosen. The literacy rates of this category SC and ST should be increased through proper initiatives, enhancing educational opportunities for SC and ST population. And another category is working population gaps. Different mandals, different villages of Anantapur district have different working population. Government is providing Mahatma Gandhi National Work Employment Program for such type of people. They are uplifting such type of people. So government should provide proper welfare schemes for the upliftment of marginal workers for fulfilling the gap between the main workers and the marginal workers. We need to take proper necessary steps, and it is our responsibility to take the proper necessary steps, and it's responsibility of government also. Okay, that ends my one. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, he has completed, he has finished his Viva presentation, sir.
Um, Question part. Ask the questions, any doubts from the candidate? Any questions? From the questioning part. ಬೆಟ್ಟು ಇವ್ರು ಯಾರೋ
Even MNCs are having social responsibility.
Yes, ma'am. Ratan Tata. Sir, please.
My question, why focusing on SC/ST population in Anantapur?
Throughout the Indian history, SC and ST population were not treated properly. They are ill-treated. So that is the main reason.
Literacy more than 50% above SC/ST population in Anantapur district.
Sir?
Low percentage అయితే లేదు కదా literacy rate.
Sir, please repeat the question once again. SC/ST population means throughout Indian history, what I have studied is they were not treated properly. That's why I have focused on SC/ST population. What's the reasons why they are not treated properly? They are also equals. among poor Varnas, but they are not treated properly. Why? What's the reason? That's the reason behind me. I found and I did my research.
SC/ST పాపులేషన్ మీద ఓన్లీ ఫోకస్ ఆన్ గవర్నమెంటే ఉందా? నా ఎన్జిఓస్ కానీ మేడం చెప్పినట్టు అదర్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్స్ ఏం లేవా?
Yes, sir, it is there, sir. NGOs are there. Something Puttaparthi Sai Baba, he helped a lot. Like that, so many persons are there, but I have not gone through it. Frankly speaking,
డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ లో డ్రాబ్యాక్ ఎందుకున్నారు SC/ST పాపులేషన్?
topic is there, sir.
Why? Audit is the super specialty. You know that houses, literatures, projects, water
Sir,
sector.
sir, they are providing, sir, but the people are not well aware about the facilities provided by these NGOs. That is also one of the reasons.
Organizations are providing. Please, there is a kind of
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
They're already
Yes, ma'am.
that's why frequently focus on.
Okay, thank you, madam.
Sir, it's over, sir.
Over, ma?
Question and answer session is over.
Over. Now,
Congratulations, madam. Congrats, Rajshekar.
thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
There are some queries from the adjudicator, sir. Shall I read?
Shall I start the opinion of the adjudicators?
Yeah. You can go ahead, sir.
So, the three adjudicators of the Mr. Rajendra Prasad thesis approved and recommended for the award of PhD to Mr. Rajendra Kumar. No doubt. However, some shortcomings they have mentioned. So those shortcomings I have to say to the candidate and the who are assembled there. The first one is Mr. Rajendra Kumar. Rajendra Kumar is not responding.
Sir, please, sir.
Are you hearing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. The first clarification or shortcoming. You come to video call?
So please, sir, carry on, sir.
You are not appearing to me.
మాకైతే విజిబుల్ గా ఉంది సార్ ఒక స్క్రీన్ లో. అంటే మీకు స్క్రీన్ కొంచెం ఇంకా ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి, వాటి దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళండి.
Okay. Mr. Rajendra Kumar.
Voice.
Now you are a spaceman.
Sir, please, sir.
Okay. Among the three examiners, some examiners posed some shortcomings. So that is number one is for any PhD there must be one chapter where the primary data is necessary.
Okay, sir.
Only secondary data you have used it.
Okay, sir.
At the MPhil level, that is no problem. But in
Okay, sir.
PhD work, definitely primary data, if you use, there is a possibility to know real ground truth,
Okay, sir.
the reality we can see by
Okay,
your
sir.
study. So primary data, you in future, if you want to do research, further research, you have to look after. There must be one chapter, or after PhD, some research work if you want to do, you see the primary data must be incorporated. That is one. The second one is in the techniques you are adopted in your work, that is only statistical averages you are using.
Sir,
Some other techniques are also there. So like standard deviation,
sir, actually, I used a simple.
simple averages. Simple averages you have used it in your work because of different only population, general population, ST population, SC population, then mandal wise, then village wise, like that. Okay, I am not finding fault, but
Actually,
it would be better if you use some other techniques like sampling methods are there, so it would be uh, appreciable.
sir,
Then
actually,
you
sir,
tell me.
actually,
Ah,
sir, actually, I used the simple statistical techniques in my research topic, sir.
that is the
That is averages and
that
simple
is the
calculations, sir. At the
only
time, my health is not well, and in further research studies, I will use the other statistical techniques like standard deviation like that, sir.
okay. Then third one is
Sir, primary data.
uh,
Uh,
the village level.
in future studies, I will collect the primary data, sir. I will follow your suggestions and uh, words, sir.
Okay. Then it is my personal question I am asking. Uh, Topic is geographical aspects of population. Your study is not correlated with the geographical aspects with the population. So the influence of the geographical factors, population density at one place, high at one place, medium at another place, low. But
Yes,
what is the geographical reasons?
sir. The physiographical region,
Reasons for
sir. The
high
reason is,
geographical factors in the sense physical factors, social factors, economic factors, all these are geographical factors. So these factors must be correlated with your population aspect. Okay. Okay, Mr. Rajendra Kumar.
sir.
Okay, that correlation is not there. High and low, you are telling.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So,
sir. Sir,
what is the?
actually,
Uh,
sir. Can I say, sir?
you tell me.
Sir,
Yes.
actually, in chapter 4 and chapter 5, spatio-temporal aspects of population in Anantapur district, of SC and ST population.
Okay.
Different mandals, different 63 revenue mandals of Anantapur district has different differences, sir. Yeah, through illiteracy or sex ratio, or population distribution or growth varies, sir. But I have collected only the highest mandal, which is showing the highest literacy, and the lowest mandal, which is showing the lowest literacy, and the highest mandal, which is showing the population distribution. Like that, I have collected. I would like
Okay.
to present it. That's sir.
Okay. Okay. But the topic
Sir,
is in
and
the.
I will follow your suggestions in future research studies, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Kindly bless me, sir.
All right. A question hour is okay, and the my examiners shortcomings are also over. Now I am coming to final part. So all the three examiners, three adjudicators are recommended and approved to award PhD degree to the candidate, Mr. Rajendra Prasad. You
Yes, sir.
are the what you have done is also appreciable, so it will be useful for the future generations also. No doubt, you have done hard work because it is not easy to take to study the general population, mandal wise, village wise, ST working population. All these things, it takes uh, very much time. So, in spite of that, you have done very happy. So, finally, we are all in the sense as a chairman and the examiners approved the PhD work done by you. So we are awarding PhD happily to you, Mr. Rajendra Kumar.
Sir, thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Welcome.
Cordial thanks to you, sir.
Welcome. Ma Krishnakumari.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Welcome, ma.
I'll conclude, sir. I'll conclude.
Over.
Thank you so very much, sir, for your patient listening. Being my teacher, I'm still able to take suggestions from you indirectly through
I am
my student PhD Viva process.
PhD.
So you taught us so many, not only academic things, you taught us so many values also, human values also, for which I always owe. It's really a great time with you. Actually, I wanted to come here personally, but because of your health problems, it has not materialized.
Yes.
Anyhow, we could see you at least in online, sir. So
Thank you.
next time, at least, if any chance you have to visit the department, that's
Okay.
my wish, sir. So,
Ma, convey my regards are wishes to the Dean, Arts and Science.
sir, ikkade unnaru, sir. Professor, I also thank Professor Suresh Kumar Garu, Dean Life Sciences.
Madam.
And I also wholeheartedly thank Dean Physical Sciences, Professor Satyanarayana Garu,
Okay, ma.
and all the students, research scholars, academic consultants, and Rajendra's family members who have assembled here. Thank you so very much, sir, once again.
Very good. Welcome, ma.
Thank
Welcome.
Sir,
Shall
we'll conclude, sir. We'll conclude. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
madam.
Suresh, sir, మీకు రాలేదు ఆన్లైన్
పర్లేదు మేడం పర్వాలేదు మీరు
ఓకే ఓకే సార్ థ్యాంక్ యూ థ్యాంక్
నైస్
యూ
మేడం
Shall we end?
we'll conclude it, sir.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Welcome. Thank you.
Sir, thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
To the 12:05 hour.
Okay.